Hello everyone, my name is Shaz. Welcome to this video. Today we're going to go over the basics of AI, specifically AI for contractors, my general contractors, my people in construction, my people that do home service repairs, all of you guys. Super glad you're here because we're going to go through the basics of AI. We're going to let AI assist you in your business. So all the tedious stuff that you have to do on a day-to-day does not have to be done necessarily. It will save you so much time, which equates to a lot of money within your very busy professional lives. All right. If you're watching this on YouTube, I'm super glad you found me. Again, this video is going to be jam-packed with information, and I did a live AI system at the end that we're going to go through. I'm going to show you how it works. It's going to blow your mind. All right. If you're watching this from the Facebook group, the admins let me post this. They're really cool people, and I hope you get the utmost value from this. All right. So let's get into it. Speed this video up if you have to, but make sure you watch the whole thing. There's going to be some awesome stuff here. All right. So we'll go over what AI is, AI versus automation, how they're different, how they're the same, how they do very well together, use cases for GCs, general contractors, construction people, everyone I just mentioned, how easy of a transition it is to actually do this stuff. You might be very overwhelmed with the stuff I talk about in this video, like AI, open source technology, all this stuff. It's very simple. I'll break it down for you if I can. And then time equals money. It's a very simple thing. I'm also going to go. I'm going to show you how deep it gets, and then we're going to go over a live AI system demo somewhere in a few minutes here. All right, super excited again. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to comment on this video. I'll get them all answered. Now, AI is artificial intelligence, right? It's a simulation of human intelligence by machines, but it is not Will Smith and iRobot. I'm telling you guys, it's not gotten to that point. I don't think we'll be alive when it gets to that point. Your jobs are safe, right? You will always be out there manning the machines and things like that. AI is not going to take over that aspect of the job. Think about AI of assisting you with very basic tasks that an assistant could do, right? Automation, essentially, right? So don't think about it as machines doing stuff for you, but more of automation and technology that assists you in your day-to-day routine as a general contractor or beyond. All right, so AI versus automation, they're slightly different things. Just want to break it down for you that don't know it. AI involves simple or simulating human intelligence to perform tasks, right? So it can analyze data, it can make decisions based on outputs. So you can give it a bunch of information, and it can make an educated decision based on the information if you give it context, and then also it can replicate human problem solving. All right, so that is AI. Automation is more like in place to perform tasks, right, that happen automatically without a lot of human intervention or human attention, right? So this can streamline workflows, reduce human efforts and errors. It can reduce errors because it all happens automatically, does not make mistakes, and it increases efficiency in your business. All right, so I hope you see the subtle difference between those two. AI is like human intelligence, and then automation are like automatic things that happen to further the process along in your business, so you don't have to do that manually. All right, now when you put AI and automation together, you get amazing use cases. These ones are all specifically for general contractors. There's so many more things I could talk about here, but this is a great start. So customer support, right? You could give out instant customer support to everyone that are reaching out to you within your Instagrams, your socials, your website. You could give instant customer support for them. I'm going to actually go over that bot next, which is going to blow your mind. I think you're really going to like it. Lead analysis, right? So as general contractors, GCs, you don't want to take every single job. Everyone knows that, right? You want to have a very niche job, a job that makes you a lot of money, and it's not a lot of your time, right? You don't want to be under on a job, pay too much, and there's a lot of headaches that can happen. Everyone knows this. So we could do a lead analysis, or you could do lead analysis, where you take past jobs that have worked very well for you, you let the AI scan it, read it, come up with a deal client portfolio, and then every single lead you're getting inbound or you're reaching out to people, you could compare against the ideal client. The AI comes up for you, and it'll tell you if it's a good idea to pursue that lead. Obviously, you make your own decisions as an adult, as an educated person, general contractor, but it could very well assist you in making those decisions with pure numbers. All right, this is something we call an internal solution. So internal questions or onboarding. So say for a job, right, it has, have all the details, the amount of money, the materials, what we're going to do, what the client wants, everything's in there, right? So you can make a chatbot trained on that information, right, and then send it to all your employees. So when your employee has a question that's very easily answered, maybe he just forgot or she forgot or whatever the case may be, they could reference the chatbot and get an automated answer based on what you give the chatbot. The AI system will basically pull the information you give it and give an answer to that person. So you don't have to be communicating with your staff all the time, answering very basic questions that, again, eat up time. You don't want that. Same thing for onboarding. If anyone has a question, they could just ask the bot that you give them. All right. Analytics. We know that AI is very good with analytics, so it could break down analytics, send out customer reports and things like that. And finally, information and recommendation. AI can sort of synthesize information on a specific job and give customized recommendations on what should happen, what shouldn't happen. Maybe if the client had questions, you could also reference the opinions of the AI because it gives pure hard facts on the numbers. All right, so this is the live AI demo. I'm super excited for you guys. What I'm going to be going through here is just a chatbot, which is this, that I built out from this website. Now, this is a random website in my area. I'm in the Chicago area. Let me know where you guys are from. We can network, get this stuff going. But this is a random sort of business I pulled in the area, and it's ATB Development. They do home remodeling. So I sat down and made a very basic version of this chatbot for ATB Development, and we'll see how it works. All right. Now, this is created with the thing BotPress. BotPress, I'm not going to lie, if you don't have technical knowledge, might be a little confusing. Reach out with me with questions. We could get you set up. We can get you started. All right. So I'm just going to interact with this bot. And again, this is trained off of this website right here. All right. And this would go on your website and it would pop up right here if you wanted something like this on your website to help with customer service. All right. So it recognizes it. It says, welcome to ATB Development. What can I help you with? So this is really cool. You can send them right to get a quote or consultation and meet in with you. That's a whole nother thing we're going to go to. Right now, we're going to just go about asking about information about the website. So it's going to ask you what information would you like. This is an open-ended question, right? So it's not like choices. It can be if you wanted to, but it can tell you anything about the website. So let's say, what services do you guys provide? All right, let's see what it comes up with. Boom. There you go. That is a very good in-depth answer. ATB Development provides a wide range of services: home remodelings, bathroom remodelings, general contracting, carpentry, hardwood flooring. You get the point, right? Then it asks, do you have any other questions? And again, you could schedule in a quote and stuff right there. Let's ask one more question. Where are you guys located? I want to get a quote. Let's see what it says. And it's awesome because these are open source questions. ATB Development is located in Chicago and around Tinley Park. To get a quote, you can contact us here. Boom. There you go, guys. That is a very good customer service experience for anyone reaching out about your services, right? Now, I don't know if you guys are getting a lot of web traffic. I don't think general contractors necessarily do. So if this is not beneficial on your website, you could just send this out to people interested and they could talk with it, right? Instead of you having to go back and forth or someone you're hiring go back and forth, this could provide all necessary information. And again, this is a very basic version of a chatbot. Very basic. It gets way more in depth. We could do quotes, schedule on calls, and a bunch of stuff. All right, so that's like a very quick demo. I hope you guys like it. I think that's really cool. Now, it's a very easy transition. It's easy for me to say. I know I'm a little technical with this stuff, AI, but simply put, it's very easy, guys. Like, AI is this new technology. Don't let it get overwhelming. It's very easy to integrate it with your business, and it's a very easy transition over. So first of all, it's built into your website, so that's really cool. And then 99 times out of 100, it will integrate with your softwares. Now, if you don't know about webhooks and APIs and stuff like this, essentially, most of these websites and software companies have open APIs and ways you could combine softwares or link them so everything is fluent, right? So 99 times out of 100, any bot that you build out or we build out will be integrated with a CRM, a software you are already using, for very cohesive efforts on your end, so you're not looking in different places for different things. All right. And finally, it's easy to collect data from. All right. So BotPress and the things we use, we could give very good analytics saying like 153 people reached out from your website, 75 booked in the call, or whatever the case may be. We can see what questions people are asking, if there are trends in the market, and stuff like that. So there's so many things you could do. It's a very easy transition to get this going. All right, now money is time, guys. Every single business person, almost every single person should know this. Money is time. Time is the most important thing we have as a business owner, regardless of how much money we're making. You need your time, and your time needs to go to money-making actions. So you shouldn't be replying to all these emails, replying to customer support. You have to let AI and automation do it for you. Now, time saved is money earned. Everyone knows this. Say it takes you 40 hours a month to do very basic AI automated tasks that can be automated, but you're just not doing it. That's 40 hours a week, a month, whatever it is to you and your staff. All right. Now, AI and automation will replace a lot of that and help you out with a lot of that. I'm not saying 100%, right? Anyone that is telling you AI could do 100% of it is bullshitting you. It could do a lot of it. You're going to want to cut down to 90 to 95% of that boring work. Let's say you get it down to 5 hours. That 35 hours of difference could add up to a lot of money for your business. I mean, you're talking about general contracting companies that do hundreds of thousands of dollars a year, if not millions of dollars a year, 35 hours is a lot of money. A month in time saved, which could go to other activities, right? Just think about it like this. 30 minutes a day saves you 15 hours a month. Based on how much you think your time is worth, which should be in the hundreds, if not thousands of dollars, that's a lot of money a month you are saving from simply AI and automated tasks helping you out. All right, so don't get left behind, guys. Before you know it, you're going to blink. Everyone's going to be doing this. Get on it now. You're still early, and get knowing it. Get familiar with it, right? Comment any questions below on this one. Please do reach out to me. I love talking about this stuff. I would love to help you guys out. If you're in the Facebook group, just DM me here on Facebook, my messenger. I would love to help you out. Again, take action. Start implementation. I could help you. I have my own team that does this stuff. We build this stuff, and then we implement it for professionals like yourself, and we're seeing really cool things. And if you really want a professional experience, we could just build out a whole massive thing 100 times better than what I just showed you here. But again, that's a conversation for another day. Reach out if you have any questions. And then again, you could comment below with questions. My Instagram is Shaz_automation. If you have questions there, if you're on Facebook, just reach out to me. But guys, again, do not get left behind. This is the time to take action. Let's do this thing. I hope you guys learned something valuable here today. Thank you for being here with me. I will see you in the next video when I make it. All right, take care.